Well, here's an interesting little thing that happened while I was using the lift now with the motor that works. I'm going to have to reverse the plumbing on it because I believe the rotation of the motor is clockwise when it should be counterclockwise, so I can overcome that by it's a non-reversible electric motor, so what I can do is just swap some hydraulics on the motor hydraulic pump. But anyhow, this control just all of a sudden gave out on me and it just went limp and flopped over, and I'm like, what in the hell happened? Linkage in here looks fine. This thing's got a safety catch on it, so there's no broken pieces or pieces of linkage that came off. There's no pins or anything that popped out of the joints. So this lift came out of a Ford dealership down in Fresno, Lithia Ford, years ago, about 15-20 years ago, and was highly used. Not horribly used. I guess it was just, this is probably one of the problems. But upon looking at this mechanism, it's designed to where you can put, there's a little pinhole here for an Allen, and you can clock it this way, which I would not want that. It would catch my leg as I walk by, or catch a cart, or it would get hung up on something. Let's just say I'm going to put it right back where it was. I was wondering why in the hell this thing was coming apart on me. Not safe at all. So that's a very bad design flaw. I think what I'm going to do, yeah, I'm going to have to put some Loctite on those threads. If that Allen screw is still in there, I'll have to put some Lexel or Loctite on it. Alright, at least that's easy to fix. What I'm going to do is direct wire that directly to my 240 volt outlet up there. And I'll lift a leg and put a switch on it down here on the side. That'll be easy. Child's play. Alright, that's it for now. So for those who are interested in converting a 3-phase Benwil Industries 7,000 pound capacity car lift that has an original 3-phase motor, it can be, and I have 3D printed a special adapter whereby one can mount up a 3/4 to 1 horsepower, ideally the 1 horsepower PSC blower motor off of a swamp cooler, so plenty of power. Thermally, I'll have a workaround for that thermistor, and then I'll just replace it with a higher value one. Alright, CT out.